Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about Matomo and Mistral AI. So Mistral AI is a free software artificial intelligence released under the Apache license 2.0. Let's say the most common way to use it is to install it locally on your computer. So with something which is called LM Studio, which looks like this. So you look for the, let's say, the version of Mistral that you want, okay? And then you're gonna get some different big file that you can download in order afterwards to be able to use it. So the most powerful of them is the Mistral one, so that's the one, which is the 8X7B. Unfortunately, if you take this one, which is more than 50 gigabytes, mostly your computer doesn't have the resource in order to execute it. Anyway, we are gonna do it. So here I just took it, and I can just ask the question. So new chat. Okay, and the question's gonna be, so oops, I just selected it, so it's just gonna load it. So as you can see, it's gonna be like super slow to load. The UI looks like the one of ChatGPT. So let's see how it goes. Still need some time to get loaded. So over here you get some different settings that you can use, but by default you use this one. Okay, so tag me URL with PK parameters. Okay, so tag me a URL with some PK parameters. Let's see if he's able to understand it. So as you can see over here, it's taking a while to get loaded because even though I have a computer with 16 gigabytes, it's taking a while to get it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy and paste, and I'm going to use a cloud version. Well, okay, so you see, and it's not even smart. So it's answering, okay, you asked me a PK parameter, I don't know what it is, blah, blah, blah. So I will say the local version. I'm not going to say that it's useless, but probably not the best fit in order to use it with Matomo Analytics. Then if you go on sdk.vercel.ai and that you use this given service, you have the possibility to use different AI to compare them within one another. And then if you paste it here, so here this is the same, as you can see, the 8 cross 7b. And if I ask the question, so as you can see here, is making something smart. So PK campaign, this is correct. PK keyword, this is correct. PK source, this is correct. Medium, this is correct. And content, this is correct. So that's a good example. On the other side, so here I took Llama, and as you can see, PK campaign, keyword, content looks okay. I made some other tests before, and what happened is that it was still fine for Mistral, but it wasn't for Llama Studio. It was telling me, okay, I have no idea what those parameters are about. But here it looks fine. So yeah, as you can see, it's interesting, I will say. Most of the time it's comparing ChatGPT 3.5 with Mistral. So personally, I haven't yet seen the level of Mistral equivalent to a ChatGPT 4, which of course could be the interesting part. But I think that if you use a service such as Vercel.ai, you can of course get some interesting results, whereas as you can see here locally, the results are crap. So definitely I think Mistral, unless you have a very good server on which you have a decent RAM, well, that's not going to be useful, whereas if you are using it on the cloud, definitely you can take advantage of it.